Hey traders, have you ever wondered why most people lose money in trading even after watching hundreds of videos and learning strategies? Here's the truth. It's not because they're dumb, it's not because they lack tools, it's because they quit in the boring phase. Today, I'm breaking down why 90% of traders fail, and more importantly, how you can be in the winning 10%. Let's get into it. Most beginners think trading is fast money. They see screenshots, they see Lambos, they see $500 to $50K stories. So they enter the market expecting quick success. But what they don't see is this: months of losses, flat accounts, slow progress, emotional stress. When reality hits, most people quit. The first reason traders fail: no patience. They want profits today. They want results this week. They want success right now. So what happens? They overtrade. They chase moves. They jump into bad setups. Great traders wait. Losing traders rush. Remember this: money flows to the patient. The second killer: emotions. After a loss, they revenge trade. After a win, they get greedy. After 2 losses, they panic. Instead of following a plan, they follow feelings. And feelings are expensive in trading. Professional traders don't trade emotions. They trade systems. Now let's talk about something no one warns you about: the boring middle. This is the phase where crack, you're not losing big; crack, you're not winning big; crack, your account moves slowly; crack, growth feels invisible. It can last months, sometimes years. This is where most people quit. But this phase is where winners are built. Successful traders think differently. They don't ask, how much can I make today? They ask, how good can I become this year? They focus on risk control, consistency, process, discipline. They treat trading like a business, not a lottery ticket. Here's how you avoid becoming part of the 90%. 1. Strategy. 2. Risk. Only 1-2% per trade. 3. Journal. Every trade. 4. Accept slow growth. 5. Stay disciplined when it's boring. If you can stay consistent when nothing exciting is happening, you'll win when it matters. So let me ask you, are you building skills for the long term or chasing fast money? Drop discipline in the comments if you're committed to winning this game for real. And if you want proven tools, setups, and mindset training, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading lesson. Trade smart, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next one.